All right, today we're going to dive into a world most of us never get to see, but one we all completely rely on. I'm talking about that hidden network of pipes running under our feet, through our homes and our cities. And we're going to look at the incredible tech that's finally bringing all its secrets to light.
So, let me ask you a question. What's really hiding in your pipes? It kind of gives you a little anxiety, right? You hear that weird gurgle from the drain, or you notice the water's just not going down like it used to, and your mind starts racing, wondering what's lurking down there. Is it just a bit of hair, or is it something way worse?
And yeah, these are the symptoms we've all dealt with, haven't we? That stubborn clog that just refuses to go away no matter what you throw at it. That weird, mysterious smell you can't quite track down. Or maybe you're in an older building, and you're just constantly wondering what kind of shape those old pipes are really in. These are the telltale signs of a deeper problem.
Which brings us right to our first section, the mystery below. Because for the longest time, dealing with these problems was just a frustrating and expensive guessing game.
I mean, seriously, think about it. The traditional way of doing things often meant just digging, tearing up floors, excavating yards, all based on a hunch. It was pure guesswork, hoping you were even in the right spot to find the issue. Not only was it messy and invasive, it was just wildly inefficient.
But what if you could take all that guesswork completely out of the equation? What if the new way was just seeing the problem for yourself, directly? No more crossing your fingers, no more unnecessary destruction, just clear, undeniable facts.
So this is where the really cool tech comes in. In Section 2, we're going to pull back the curtain and reveal what precision vision is all about. The power to see inside these hidden spaces with unbelievable clarity.
Okay, so at the very heart of this whole revolution is the pipe inspection camera. But look, don't just think of it as a camera on a long wire. It's so much more than that. It's your personal diagnostic toolkit, custom built to go where you can't and to shine a light in those dark, hard-to-reach corners.
So what makes this tool so darn effective? What's the secret sauce? Well, let's break it down in Section 3, Anatomy of the Eye.
It all starts with the camera itself. We're talking 1,000 TVL, that's television lines. Now, what does that actually mean for you? Well, think about the huge leap in quality from your old standard def TV to a new 4K screen. It's that kind of difference. This isn't some blurry, grainy image. It's crystal clear, high-definition vision that lets you spot the tiniest cracks, tree root intrusions, or bits of corrosion with total confidence. And these features, they translate directly into huge advantages on the job. The IP68 waterproof rating means you can literally submerge this thing and it just keeps working. Perfect for flooded pipes. The built-in DVR lets you record everything, which is invaluable when you need to write a report or just show someone exactly what you found. And the Wi-Fi connectivity? Oh man, that's a total game changer. You can stream the live feed right to a phone or tablet to show a client in real time. And this isn't a one-size-fits-all deal either. The tool is incredibly adaptable. Whether you're checking out a short 30-meter residential drain line or you're navigating a massive 200-meter industrial pipeline, there's a cable length that's designed specifically for that job. That kind of versatility is absolutely key.
And you know, that adaptability leads us perfectly into our next section. Because this technology is about so much more than just finding a simple clog. This is Section 4, Beyond the Clog.
This thing is a true industrial workhorse. Its tough design makes it perfect for a ton of other jobs. You can inspect HVAC ducts for blockages, check the integrity of electrical conduits, peek inside wall cavities without having to tear them open, or even get a look at the internals of complex machinery. The applications are just incredibly broad. But here's the real crucial takeaway. This tool lets you shift from just reacting to emergencies to actually being proactive to smart management. First, you pinpoint the exact issue, which means you avoid all that unnecessary digging. Then you can plan preventative maintenance, catching small problems before they become huge, expensive disasters. And finally, you can provide absolute visual proof to your clients, which builds a ton of trust and professionalism.
And all of this leads us right to our final section, and it's a fitting one, a clearer future.
This slide just says it all, doesn't it? It perfectly captures the whole transformation. On the left, you have the before, all that costly guesswork, the frustration, the deep uncertainty. And on the right, you have the now, accurate diagnostics, real cost savings, and the confidence that comes from pure certainty. You know exactly what's wrong and exactly how to fix it.
Ultimately, when you boil it all down, it comes back to this one powerful idea. Stop operating in the dark. This technology is all about bringing light and clarity to your toughest, most hidden challenges.
So we'll leave you with this question to think about. If you were armed with this kind of vision, if you had the ability to see any hidden problem, plain as day, what would you solve first?